So most AI cameras are tethered down to a laptop with a messy, tangled USB cable. But what if you could just drop a 4K robot down on your desk and then just walk away? Today we're looking at the EMEET Pixy Wireless. It's got an 8-hour battery, 4K resolution, and it might just be the ultimate one-person studio tool. I mean, this is what it looks like, by the way. You're looking at it right now. But let's dive in and see what else this thing can do.
MrBlack.
And welcome to the channel. If you like gadgets, gear, and the latest and futuristic tech that you probably didn't know exist, well, hit that subscribe button and don't be a stranger to the channel. And also I'll put links to everything down in the description. Now, EMEET did send this to me and they're sponsoring this video so I could take my time, test out all the features, play around with it, and share my thoughts and experiences with you guys. And we have looked at the EMEET Pixy in the past, which is an amazing webcam. But you'll notice there is a big difference between that one and this one. And that big difference is wireless. It's in the name. Unlike the previous version, this model features a built-in 5200 milliamp hour battery that gives you up to 8 hours of continuous use. It connects through your phone, tablet, PC, through Wi-Fi or hotspot. It does have a quarter thread on the bottom for mounting, but it does have a nice base, so you can set it down on the desk by itself and it will stay upright. And on the back, you can see you have USB-C to charge it up and plug it into the computer if you want to use it that way. You have your micro SD card for direct recording onto that. And you have a line-in 3.5 millimeter input, so you can connect like a mixer or a microphone directly right there. It features an omnidirectional 48 kilohertz microphone. And this is what those built-in microphones sound like right off of the camera. Just outside casually, there's some car noises going by, but it does a great job. It also has noise reduction on the app as well. You could turn that on, but this is what it sounds like. It's designed to be lightweight and easy to carry, making it a solid choice for recording sports like tennis or pickleball. But let's talk specs, because you're getting 4K 30 frames per second or a smooth 1080p at 60 frames per second. Now that spec is only when it is plugged in, when it's wireless and recording to the SD card like it is now. You get a maximum of 2K 30 frames per second. Or if you're live streaming, you get a maximum of 1080p 30 frames per second, which is actually pretty standard. And with outdoor performance, it supports HDR, which is huge for high contrast outdoor scenes where the sun usually blows out the background. It has a wide 97-degree field of view, so it captures more of the court or the room rather than the standard 73-degree field of view that you get on most webcams. It also has auto tracking, so it captures every move that you make. So when you move around, it will follow you, and you can use gesture controls to raise up your hand and stop it from following you or start it from following you. If you're a podcaster or streamer, the EMEET Studio software is where the magic happens. You can wirelessly connect and switch between 3 Pixie wireless cameras at the same time. You could set it just to go tracking right there, or you can do a manual one where you can kind of move it where you want to, a little bit of a joystick motion, or you can just kind of reset it back in the center. You can reverse those controls, or you can set those preset shots right here. So if I wanted this shot over here, I can set that one, or just me right here, and then set that. So now I can go camera or shot number 1, shot number 2. You can also add some effects here. You can change your exposure. You can do manual, white balance, brightness, contrast, tone, saturation, maybe add a little bit more color to it or take it away. Even some more clarity if you want. If there's a flicker to it, you could add that anti-flicker and then turn on the HDR right there. You can go to assistance as well. You have your built-in microphone. You can turn on your gesture controls. You can auto rotate upside down, change the recording resolution. You can also use the virtual camera. So if you're gonna be using Zoom or other third-party apps, you want to use this camera for that, you can enable it that way. You also have one-click streaming where you can stream to YouTube, Twitch, Zoom, Teams, just with one click, no subscription fee or software needed. Now it is like twice the price of the wired version, but you're basically paying for all of that freedom from cables. Yeah, I could be live streaming just like this. Hey, look over here, look over there. Just gives you that freedom. Maybe you're in a garage and you're live streaming a project that you're working on. You can bring the camera, set it down, keep it tracking you. And yeah, come over here, come over here. Looks really good. And also we're in low light right now. So we have like one studio light way over there. Other than that, I have like my lights off, and you can see this like in a low light setting. If you're a gamer, this would be very helpful. So maybe you're watching this now and you're like, well, that looks cool. But I mean, who is it for? Well, it's for solo creators, for coaches, teachers, live streamers, podcasters, small production teams that are looking for a portable AI-driven setup. Basically, if you need a cameraman that fits in your gym bag that lasts up to 8 hours, this is definitely for you. So it has good clarity, it's wireless, great for streaming if you're in the park somewhere or in the city and you want to set something up and be able to move around, and especially when you use the mobile app, which does just about everything that the studio does just on your phone. So you can connect it wirelessly to your phone, go live from there, and you could be like completely mobile with this. But there you have it. That's the EMEET Pixy Wireless. We've done a lot of work with EMEET. They've been pushing the envelope. Every camera gets better, more innovative, and it's really cool to see what they come up with. If you want to see some other EMEET cameras we have looked at in the past, especially the original EMEET Pixie, you can check out that video right up there. Otherwise, we have some other cool cameras, webcams that they have released. Some of those might look interesting, so click one of those. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.